Okay. Declare a class with defined properties, custom methods, accessors, and mutators. Use conditional and looping statements accordingly. Display the required output. Screen recording. Create a class name and name it payslip. This class should have the following attributes or properties: name, pay grade, basic salary, overtime hours, overtime pay, gross pay, net pay, and withholding tax. This class should also have the following methods: determine pay grade and tax rate, and compute pay. Define the accessors and mutators of the payslip class based on its attributes or properties. Input the employee name, basic salary, and number of overtime hours. Apply validations for input as follows. Okay. Basic salary should not be less than 10k. Minimum overtime hours is 1 hour. Okay. So let's go step by step. Create a class and name it payslip. So let's do that right now. Payslip H. Okay. Include. Yeah, I will probably use strings here for the name. What else? Yeah, the class itself. Payslip. Okay. Private and public members. Private members would be the name. I'm not going to put using namespace std here. I wonder why they say it's a bad practice. Okay. Name. Pay grade. Okay. Because it's A. It's B. Pay grade A, pay grade B. Okay. Then okay. We have in here for the overtime hours. And the others would be double. Okay. Basic salary, overtime pay, gross pay, net pay, withholding tax. Okay. Then we have our constructor. Let's see. We need the employee name, basic salary, and number of overtime hours. So let's put that here. Basic salary and overtime hours. Okay. And accessors and mutators. Okay. So basically you make accessors and mutators for each one of these things. Get name and mutator okay. And then set overtime hours. Double get basic salary. Okay. Overtime pay, gross pay, net pay, withholding tax. Okay. Overtime pay. Gross pay. Net pay. Net pay, and then withholding tax. Withholding tax. Okay. This class should also have the following methods: determine pay, grade, and tax rate, and compute pay. Okay. So probably void determine pay, grade, and tax rate. Long name. And void compute pay. Okay. Then we define these things. Constructor first. Okay. Scope resolution operator, and there. Okay. Basically what we're gonna do is this name of object equals to name parameter basic salary there, and then overtime hours. Okay. What we're gonna do is, then this name. Okay. And this name is equal to name. Oh, I forgot to put the scope. There. Then overtime hours. Then let's copy and paste. Paste. Return this. Get overtime hours. Overtime hours. Okay. Can we put this in one line? That would be unreadable. Okay. This overtime overtime hours. So I forgot the payslip scope. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wait, what? Hmm. Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Then overtime pay. Okay. Okay. Set overtime pay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then gross pay. Gross pay. Net pay withholding tax. Okay. Gross pay. Gross pay. Gross pay. Gross pay. Net pay. Net pay. Net pay. withholding tax. Excess. What else did I forget? Name, overtime hours, basic salary, overtime pay, gross pay, net pay, void payslip set net pay, net pay, yes, net pay is equal to net pay. Payslip scope. Return this withholding tax. Okay. Then this two. Pay grade and tax rate. We're gonna base it on here, I guess. It's based on basic salary. Okay. I wonder if this is range or not. Are there in-betweens? Or they're just fixed values? Well, I would assume in-betweens. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. These are the conditions. Okay. If get basic salary is greater than or equal to 10,000 and is less than 15,000. Okay. Oh, this is in the wrong place. It should be here. um, between 10 and 15. Okay. This set pay grade. Oh, where is that? Oh, forgot something. Yeah. We forgot an accessory mutator for pay grade. Yeah, we totally forgot it. Okay. Pay grade and pay grade. Oops. Pay grade. Okay. Set pay grade. Pay grade. Okay. Very good. Back to this. Set pay grade. We need to use this pointer to refer to the object itself when it's instantiated. Okay. Set pay grade 8. I wonder, should we print it this one? Grade A, grade B? Or yeah, something like this. Or just simply this. Okay. Yeah, if the output says pay grade, yeah, that would be redundant, so let's just put the letter. A car would have been appropriate here since it's a single character. But we already defined it, never mind. Then tax rate. Withholding tax, I guess. Yeah. Set withholding tax. Where is that formula over here? Okay. Withholding tax is equal to the gross pay. That doesn't make sense. We need to have some kind of tax rate here. How do we store this if we don't have? Yeah, I think these things should go to the compute pay method. So okay, what we're gonna do is add a member as tax rate. Okay. Then getter and setter, accessors and mutators, rather. that in there. Return this tax rate. Yeah. And okay, we forgot paste it. Okay. This row tax rate is equal to tax rate. Okay. So this that set here. It says here tax rate. Okay. Tax rate 10%. So that would be in decimal form 0.10 or 0.1. Okay. Then else if this one okay 15K and less than 20 would be this one. It's pay grade B with 10% tax rate and so on. Okay. Hmm. 20K and less than 25 pay grade A. Yeah, so this is kind of alternating and the tax rate is 15%. Okay, then A, B, yeah, 25K to 30K and less than 30K 15. Okay. This will be for 30 and 35. 20%, 20%, and 35 to less than 40. Okay, then 40K to less than 45, 25%, and 45K to less than 50K. Yes, yeah, still 25%, but pay grade B. And then 50 oops, I forgot to change this. 50K to less than 55, right? It's 30% tax rate, and then $55K, yeah, Okay. Basic salary greater than 55,000 will have a pay grade of B and a tax rate of 30%. So anything greater is, so remove this. Anything greater than 55k, so greater than equal to 55k, pay grade B and the tax rate of 30%. Else nothing. Okay. And then compute pay. Okay. So to get the gross pay, we need the basic salary and overtime pay. So we need the overtime pay first. We already have a basic salary if the user enters it and the object is instantiated. So overtime pay first. This is arrow set overtime pay. Oops. Time pay is number of OTR, so we have that. If the object is instantiated, okay. Number of OTRs, so get overtime hours times 1% of basic salary. So 1%, that will be 0.01 of basic salary. Basic salary is basic salary. Then gross pay. This arrow set gross pay is the basic salary, get plus the overtime pay. Since we already have that from here, then after that, net pay is gross pay minus withholding tax minus fixed values. Oh, fixed values, what are those? Here, SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, lol. Don't pay PhilHealth, but it's mandatory. Okay, so let's declare those. Okay, SSS is 500 pesos. Pag-ibig is 200 pesos and PhilHealth 100 pesos. Yeah, PhilHealth deserves 100 pesos only. Okay. Yeah, we have gross pay and we have fixed values and we don't have withholding tax yet, so that's next. Withholding tax, this arrow set withholding tax. That's the gross pay, get gross pay times the tax rate. I added this member because how could you store it if we don't have a member that stores the tax rate? Okay, then finally the net pay. These are row set net pay. Okay. Your net pay is the gross pay minus the withholding tax. Please get withholding tax. Okay. Minus fixed values. So we just add SSS plus pag-ibig plus PhilHealth. And there you go. Okay, that's pretty much it for the class. So main method, I mean main function, yeah. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's see if this will work. Oh, minimize that. Collapse. Yeah, collapse that as well. Okay. So that would be the output. Yeah, whatever that is. Okay. So to start, we need, yeah, what would be the input? Okay. Employee name, basic salary, and overtime hours. Okay. So I don't know if string will work for seeing. So I would assume character will work because it always works. And strings are just are just arrays of characters. Okay. Employee name, and then we have basic salary. That would be double, and overtime hours. Number of overtime hours. Okay. Then yeah, applied validations for input as follows. Okay. So that would be a prompt. Name. Then yeah, validations for this only. Then see out basic salary. Okay. Basic salary. I need to check this. How about valid input? I learned this trick from somewhere. While not seeing of salary. Okay. You clear and you prompt again. Okay. And then we will check the basic salary. What do we do? Do we just iterate it or not? Okay, never mind. That's not iterate it. Less than 10,000. Okay, gonna check Messenger first. Okay. Okay, let's continue. If it's less than 10k, yeah, let's output that. Basic salary should not be less than 10,000. Okay. I want double end lines and another here. Okay, and we exit. Okay, next is the overtime hours. See out. Yeah, something like this. Oops. No, not there. Here. Then we copy this. Validation. Oops. What happened? Okay. That would be the overtime hours. Copy this over here. Okay. Then we will check the overtime hours if it's greater than or equal to 1. If overtime hours is greater than or equal to 1, or less than 1 rather. Less than 1. Yeah. Yeah, let's output that message. Minimum overtime is 1 hour. And okay. And you exit. Oops. There. Then output. Okay. So we need to instantiate an object. Okay. Let's get this one so that we don't get lost. Okay. So payslip employee EMP. Okay. Then the name, so that would be our employee name variable, and then basic salary, that would be our basic salary variable, and then overtime hours. Did you spell it correctly? Oops, we forgot to import payslip.h. That should work now. Expected in replace this with system pause, since we have cstd live that cstd live expected in y. Why is there why did I put in there? Yeah, got confused with this one. Okay, then we're gonna call the computation functions, methods rather. Yeah, okay, so let's try that. EMP dot, yeah, we have to determine the tax rate before we can compute the total pay. Okay, then we output those things. Okay, let's just copy paste this one. Oops, we'll just wrap this with couts. Okay, cout. I like to put a blank line here. Okay, this is a string. End line. Okay, this will be the employee's name. Get me. Okay, let's just basic salary, pay grade, number of OTRs, overtime pay, gross pay, withholding tax, net pay. Pay grade. Why don't we cut it? Pay grade. Number of OTRs. Overtime pay. Oops. I wonder if it will output the same as this. Gross pay. Oops. Withholding tax. Net pay. Remove this and change it to all our accessors. Basic salary, pay grade, get number of overtime pay, overtime pay. Okay. Gross pay, withholding tax, get, and net pay. Another blank line. Let's see if this will display. Okay. All right. Oops. Oops. Why did it do that? You don't put this one, I guess. Let's try that again. Okay. Let's say 5. That's not pretty. Let's try using tabs instead. And this one, all monetary display should be formatted with comma separators, 2 decimal places, and PHP. Yeah. Let's just put PHP there. Or let's define a variable here. Dito na lang. Here, perhaps. Okay. Symbol. Okay. Or string. Since we have included the string. Huh? It did an error. Okay. That's great. Big P. Okay. So let's say currency. Space here. We're gonna need this for monetary values. Oops. Withholding tax and net pay. Okay, run. Let's try 15,000. Let's see if it will show. Okay, pay grade B. As in here. Close this. That doesn't look pretty at all. Let's see. Output again. Let's try 20k. 1. That looks better. Is that about right? Overtime pay. 200. Okay, 20,000. So overtime pay is number of OTRs. Okay, so that would be 1 times 1% of basic salary, which is 20k. 20 times 0.01, move decimal places to the left twice, so that would be 200 times 1, so 200. Yeah. Yes, withholding taxes gross pay, so this will be 20,200 times 20,000 is where? Okay, let's minimize this. Oh, how do we minimize this actually? Yeah, okay. 15. Okay. 15%. So that would be about right. Okay. Let's test 55,000. Yeah. 65. Taxes 30%. Let's fire up a calculator. Okay. Gross pay 57,750 times 30%, 0.3. Yeah, that's about right. Okay. How about more than 55,000? Oops. Let's say 60,000. Okay, let's try 60 to 400 times 0.3. Okay, so we're good. Now we need decimal places and comma separators. How do we do that? Let's try. Okay. Okay. See out the two decimal places. Yeah, I saw this on the internet. Something like this. How do we do that? Something like this. And then we're going to put in view. In view local. See out that give local and new thousands. Then let's try. Let's try. Let's try that. Other values there. Oops. What happened? What happened? Why is it outputting exponents? Hmm. Hmm. Let's put it where we need it. Okay. Huh? Why? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I guess we need to put something like fixed. Okay. Mm. Oh, magic. Okay. Let's test validations. Yep. Such as hmm, where's that? Here. Basic salary should not be less than 10,000. Let's say. Okay, great. Again. And minimum overtime hours. Okay. How about we put garbage? Garbage input. Hmm. Hey, why there are no spaces? Space. Oh, I think we need to do C in that get line here. Hmm. We need to do this. Okay. 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 Uh, let's put an error message perhaps. Something like okay. Let's try. Okay, I think that's fine. And there you have it. Okay, let's run it one more time. Okay, I think this concludes this exercise. There you have it.